Hello everyone, welcome to Rosh Roan Rocks. Get ready for an exciting science quiz. National Science Day is dedicated to National Science Day is celebrated on February 28th in honor of C.V. Raman, Indian physicist known for his work in field of light scattering. What is the discovery of C.V. Raman? The answer is Raman effect. C. E. Raman discovered the Raman effect, which explains the scattering of light and won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. Who founded the Indian Academy of Science? The answer is C. V. Raman. C. V. Raman established the Indian Academy of Science in 1934 to promote scientific research in India. Who is known as the father of Indian nuclear program? The answer is Homi Bhabha. Homi Bhabha played a key role in India's nuclear program and helped establish nuclear research facilities in India. Who is the Missile Man of India? The answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was a key scientist in India's missile development and contributed to success of the Agni and Prithvi missiles. Who is known as the father of the Indian space program? The answer is Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai was the pioneer of India's space program and founded the ISRO in 1969. What was the first satellite launched by ISRO? The answer is Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta, India's first satellite, was launched on April 19th, 1975 by the Soviet Union. Which mission made India the first Asian country to reach Mars? The answer is Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan, or the Mars Orbiter mission, made India the first Asian country to successfully reach Mars in 2014. Which Indian satellite is dedicated to studying the Sun? The answer is Aditya L1. Aditya L1 is India's first space mission dedicated to studying the Sun's outer layers. Which Indian satellite is dedicated to studying the Moon? The answer is Chandrayaan. Chandrayaan is India's lunar exploration program, with Chandrayaan 1, 2, and 3 studying the moon's surface and composition. What is the name of India's first human spaceflight program? The answer is Gaganyaan. Gaganyaan is India's first crewed space mission planned by ISRO to send astronauts into space. Which is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? The answer is nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of Earth's atmosphere, while oxygen is about 21%. Which element is a liquid at ordinary temperature? The answer is mercury. Mercury is the only metal that remains in liquid form at room temperature. Which is the purest form of carbon? The answer is diamond. Diamond is the purest form of carbon with a strong crystalline structure, making it the hardest natural substance. Which animal breathes through its skin? The answer is frog. Frogs can breathe through their skin, which helps them absorb oxygen from water. Which of these is not a primary color? The answer is yellow. The primary colors of light are red, blue, and green. Yellow is a secondary color. What is the human body's largest organ? The answer is skin. The skin is the largest organ covering and protecting the body from external elements. Which process involves the conversion of a solid directly into a gas without passing through the liquid state? The answer is sublimation. Sublimation occurs when a solid changes directly into gas, like dry ice. Which organ purifies blood in the human body? The answer is kidney. The kidneys filter waste from the blood and produce urine. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? The answer is O negative. O negative blood can be transfused into any blood group. Who developed the theory of relativity? The answer is Einstein. Albert Einstein proposed the theory of relativity, explaining space, time, and gravity. Who was the first Indian to travel to space? The answer is Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian in space, flying aboard the Soviet spacecraft in 1984. What is the full form of ISRO? The answer is Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO is responsible for India's space exploration and satellite missions. Which part of the human body produces insulin? The answer is pancreas. The pancreas produces insulin, which helps regulate blood sugar levels in the body. Which gas is known as laughing gas? The answer is nitrous oxide, N2O. Who is the only scientist to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields? The answer is Marie Curie. She won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903 and in Chemistry in 1911. Who formulated the laws of planetary motion? The answer is Johannes Kepler. Kepler's laws describe the planetary orbits around the Sun. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? The answer is diamond. Diamond is the hardest naturally occurring material. Which planet is known as the morning star or evening star? The answer is Venus. Venus is visible just before sunrise and after sunset. What type of mirror is used in car side mirrors? The answer is convex mirror. Convex mirrors provide a wider field of view. Which gas is used in airbags in cars? The answer is nitrogen. Nitrogen gas inflates the airbags quickly upon impact. What is the main function of red blood cells? The answer is transport of oxygen. Red blood cells carry oxygen using hemoglobin. What is the main function of white blood cells? The answer is provide immunity. White blood cells protect the body from infections. Who is known as the father of modern chemistry? The answer is Antoine Lavoisier. He introduced the law of conservation of mass. What is the study of fossils called? The answer is paleontology. Paleontology is the study of ancient life through fossils. What is the speed of sound in air? The answer is 343 meters per second. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? The answer is vitamin C. Ascorbic acid is essential for healthy skin and immunity. What is the name of the world's first artificial satellite? The answer is Sputnik 1, launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite. Which company developed after ChatGPT? The answer is OpenAI. What is the primary function of a nanobot? The answer is deliver drugs inside the body. Nanobots are tiny robots used in medical applications. What does IoT stand for in technology? The answer is Internet of Things. IoT connects smart devices over the internet for automation. Which technology is used in self-driving cars? The answer is AI and machine learning. Self-driving cars use AI and sensors for navigation. What part of the eye helps us see colors? The answer is retina. Cone cells in the retina detect colors. Who discovered the gravitational force? The answer is Sir Isaac Newton. Newton formulated the law of universal gravitation. Who is credited with the invention of wireless communication? The answer is Guglielmo Marconi. Who discovered the principle of buoyancy? The answer is Archimedes. Archimedes' principle explains how an object floats in fluids. Which was the first company to develop electric cars? The answer is General Motors. General Motors launched the first modern electric car, the EV1, in 1996. What did Jonas Salk invent? The answer is polio vaccine. Jonas Salk developed the first effective polio vaccine.